I've come to the realization that there's seven dangers to human nature. Wealth without work, pleasure without conscience, knowledge without character, business without ethics, science without humanity, religion without sacrifice, and politics without principle. Don't let this world make you bitter. Don't let the actions of other people turn you cold on the inside. Certain things happen that hurt us. People come that leave us. And most of all, there are moments when you're bound to fall. Don't let those things make you unkind. My mom taught me that it's okay to cry. It's okay to be sad. Just don't stay there. Allow yourself the time to grieve and recognize it, but change your mindset as quickly as possible so you don't live in that grief and darkness. You don't need to stay there. It's never okay to do other people wrong because you were done wrong. Hurt and pain should never be transferable. Sure, we're human. Yeah, we break. We make mistakes. Lord knows I've made my share. But don't let the sadness and pain control your life. Repent, ask for forgiveness so your heart and soul can be free, like truly free. In the morning, wake up and decide it's going to be a great day. Yes, you do have that power. We receive what we think and do. The universe is in synchronicity with your spirit. There may be moments in your life that you may feel weak, like giving up and think you can't take it anymore. I've been there too. It's okay. Stop. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. You're stronger than you think. It's through the struggles and the stress that you become strong and overcome the challenges of this world. It's like a weightlifter. He starts out scrawny and weak, but he knows that, the only way to achieve his goals is to lift heavy and stress his muscles and his mind, and by practice and consistency. And after some time, the weights he started with become easier to lift, and he sees progress in his size and definition. Our minds are what can excel us through the events and circumstances with a positivity, regardless of it, even if it didn't work out in your favor, or can absolutely destroy us before an event even happens. For those of us overthinkers, choose kindness and practice gratefulness daily, as tomorrow is not promised. There is one thing I am sure of, that before you can say go, you're 52 years old and you come to the realization that you spent your whole life working for a living and accomplishing somebody else's dreams and goals, but never really truly living your life. Don't get me wrong, I am and always have been grateful for my life and the things that I've experienced and my beautiful parents that have taught me before they passed. Not just in things they said, but how they proved it. I hope today brings you joy and contentment and an attitude of gratitude. I hope you can find the beauty that surrounds us all, even in the little things. Stop and smell the roses, chase your waterfalls, explore, live adventurously, create, inspire others, and you know what? Even if it's a simple smile to a person walking by you, I guarantee it'll make your day and theirs. God bless you.